Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to stay motivated? You plan to study, to exercise, or to finish that project. But after a while, your energy just drops. Don't worry, it's not just you. Today, I'll share a new psychology hack that's going viral right now, and it might just change the way you approach your daily tasks. It's called dopamine anchoring. Okay, so here's the deal. Our brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is like a little signal that tells your brain, hey, this feels good. Let's do more of it. That's why scrolling social media feels easy. But studying or exercising feels like a mountain to climb. Now, what if I told you that you can actually trick your brain into enjoying those boring tasks? That's where dopamine anchoring comes in. Dopamine anchoring is simple. You anchor something you love with something you need to do. For example, love coffee? Only drink it when you start studying. Love listening to music? Make a special playlist that you only play while working out. Love a TV show? Allow yourself to watch it, but only while you're on the treadmill. What happens is your brain starts connecting the boring task with the fun reward. Soon, your brain actually looks forward to the task because it knows a reward is waiting. Your brain doesn't know the difference between studying for exams or scrolling TikTok. It only cares about dopamine. By pairing a hard task with a fun one, you're basically training your brain to release dopamine during the hard task. Over time, that task feels less heavy, and motivation becomes natural instead of forced. Here are a few ways you can start using dopamine anchoring today. Pick one boring task you've been avoiding. Choose a small, enjoyable reward. Pair them together consistently. Keep the reward exclusive. Only give it to yourself when doing the task. And trust me, if you stick to this, your brain will start craving the very task you used to avoid. So next time you feel lazy, don't blame yourself. Your brain just needs a little trick. Try dopamine anchoring and see how your motivation levels skyrocket. Remember, psychology isn't just theory, it's practical tools to make our lives easier. Now tell me in the comments, which task will you try this hack on first?